I just got these sent through the post there off one of the subs. Thank you very much. He says, I hope you might be able to use them. Mate, for sure be able to use them. Thank you. I'll not say who sent them. I thought these were the mealworm what Dancing Queen ordered, you know, and they're not. I think a tub of mixed birdseed off somebody called Paula. Thank you, Paula. Sorry for getting mixed up, Dancing Queen. Good morning, people. This is my place from sat behind the shed. Shut up! This is where all my birds hang out. That's next door's field. These are my trees all the way down the side and all the way along the bottom. I'm just at the bottom of the garden, people, while the rubbish is burning. I thought I'd take the dog for a walk. It's got me fucking black, haven't you? The river's a bit flooded, all the rain we've had. Still a lovely spot though, even on a winter's day. Remember, I'm on the night live with the shadow boxer who's going to explain about his appeal and his new barrister. I see there's a lot out there, the trolls, not happy about it. But hey, what the fuck's it got to do with it? Eh? They just want to butt out and mind their own business for once, don't they? What's the matter with you? All these lands are private around here. There was a big flock of geese in the field next door before. About 30 of them, big uns. There's always ducks every day. If you were a hunter or living off the land, I wouldn't kill them. But if you were living off the land, I would if I had to. But if it was a war or something. I didn't even catch a fish, to be honest. But if I had to, I would. Anyway, I'm going to take the dog back and I'll see you tonight. Remember, tune in. Me and the shadow boxer, live. What's the matter with you? This is me bird garden, people. There's me shed. I'm just looking for the best view to get the live cam. I'm going to try and get a nice background. I'll have to cut them bushes. I'm just trying to work out where to put the live cam. What do you think? With that view in the background? There's a woodpecker somewhere. Where the fuck is it? There it is. There's one of them anyway. For those who haven't seen a woodpecker before. In amongst the finches and the blue tits, look at. What a beautiful sight. I've just stopped for a break there. I'm doing the rubbish today. Very flighty woodpeckers. That's a good photo with it, with all your little birds, isn't it? Getting a bit much holding this camera. I need to get a stand for it. If you notice the colours on this woodpecker, and you'll see they're all different patterns and colours of woodpeckers. Different sizes. I think I've got 3 coming at the minute. This is just one of them. Anyway, it's getting a bit much holding this camera. There's your daily thing of the woodpecker.